guys, this is Femi here. This is my unboxing video for the Samsung Galaxy A71. Samsung Galaxy A71, which comes in at 179,000 naira, rocks a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. Before I go on, please, if this is your first time watching my videos, please leave a like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can know when I drop a new video. Thanks. Rocking Android 10 with Samsung in-house One UI 2.0 snapped on top of it. The Samsung Galaxy A71 runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 paired with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. It also has an in-display fingerprint scanner which is optical based. The phone also has a USB Type-C port, which I'm a sucker for, and I don't know why phone manufacturers are not putting this in all phones at 2020. Please though, I beg, we need USB Type-C. 15 watts fast charging and a 4500 mAh battery. It has a 4-camera array on the back of the device, which consists of a 64 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel camera, a 5 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. The front of the phone, it has a 32 megapixel camera. So it also has all the available bands for any 4G network, which won't be a problem with those of us that have glow problems for 4G. Right here I have the Prism version of the Samsung Galaxy A71, which has a nice gradient at the back, shifting colors from time to time. The Samsung Galaxy A71 has been made to mimic the top flagship phones from Samsung, like the Samsung Galaxy S20 family. Based on looks, this is a very beautiful phone that will make heads turn and think you have the high-end Samsung Galaxy S20 devices. In a week time, I will be doing an in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy A71 after using it for a few days. But for now, let me just see how the camera looks like.
This is the camera from the Samsung A71, and here is the voice recording. It's an upgrade from the phone I typically use to record.
Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks.